Hey guys, it's Miss Robinson. So quickly, I want to show you how to split your screen. For example, we're going to play Kahoot this semester, and unless you have a second device, you can't read the questions and answer at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to split your screen. So the first thing is, and it might look a little different, but usually when you're on a Chromebook, you see everything just kind of like this, where it's all the way up to the top, there's nothing going on. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find on my computer, it's this little green dot and it makes the screen kind of to where I can play with it. So notice here that I can make this as big or as small as I want it to. And so that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing you want to do is that you can make these tabs move. And so I'm going to click on this one that says new tab, and I'm just going to drag it down like that. So you can see now that I have two different windows open. One of them has this tutorial of the triple beam balance, and this one has this new tab. So I'm going to take this new tab one, and I'm going to come over here all the way to the left until I get this two little arrow kind of going on here. And I'm just going to drag it over just about here. And then if it's short, I'm going to kind of like pull it up too. My computer snaps. I'm not sure if a Chromebook does, but my computer snaps to it. And then I'm going to grab the second one here. And I'm going to come all the way to the right and pull that right side with those arrows all the way over here. Okay. So now I have my two windows side by side. And that means that, for example, I could watch this video and I could also take notes on it. So if your teacher gives you this video to watch and they ask you to answer questions, I could do this together. And I've just got two windows going on here. So once I'm done, I can just click out of both, or if I just want to keep them both there, I can grab here again where it says new tab, and I can stick it back in over here with the other one, and then drag my screen back out. So if you have any questions, definitely ask your teacher, but I hope that helped you and that now we can play Kahoot together, because that's one of my favorite games to play with students. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.